are my real ones. Man, I had to send my plate back. We have shrimp a la Diabla. They try to bring it out not sauced up like I like it, and this is the only meal I get, y'all, when I come up here. So we have the avocado salad on the side. Check out my last video. They tried to put everything on one plate and short me, and I just wasn't going, y'all. I just couldn't. Thank you, Lord, for hearing that. Thank you, Lord. Oh, that's yours? So we got, when you spending $15 per meal, look, it's hot too. You can't be playing with these folks, right? And I ain't trying to be mean or nothing, but man, we spend our hard-earned money. Now we came out fresh, you know. The rice, we're gonna put some rice on y'all. Shrimp a la Diabla. We're gonna put the avocado in here. A little bit of lettuce. Tomato. And we're gonna have us a good time. With the salsa. Let me wrap this up right, because I be flexing. We're gonna wrap it up like a real burrito, baby. Shrimp a la Diabla. This is how it's supposed to come, sauced up. We shouldn't ever have a salad, something cold on a hot plate. That's just not it. Thank you, Lord. Dip it in the hot sauce. Go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing. Alright, y'all. Now I can eat. Thank God. Y'all check out my last video because that plate won't hit me. And I had to talk to a manager like, y'all, listen, I know my food. This is the only plate I order at a Mexican restaurant for the most part. Especially this one. The only plate I order at this restaurant. Yeah. With the last one, you couldn't even get no sauce. No, I'm telling you. They really try to play it. And then I told him I do videos. You know, I'm a food reviewer. He talking about he want to see the video. I pulled it up. He was still not going. But he went.